Hello, Untamedmouse19 here. Today we're playing Watch Dogs 2. I said leave because there's a guy over there. I sent him a friend request. You're not gonna throw a grenade at me. Die, bitch. Anyway, I have my, I'm playing Watch Dogs 2 because, first of all, I gotta show you what, how the ice cube sounds like. The car the ice cube. I'm gonna show you how it sounds like, and, hold on.
Just soak me out. Say so out to Call of Duty Black Ops game.
And that was my friend in the background. He's, my cousin.
And by the way, can you shout out to Call of Duty Black Ops game?
Fine.
And shout out to Danny Robertson.
They already did. They sent.
And
serious. Now we're
and you want to add
doing
Takeover
it like
3?
Noobs Gaming. Just stop it. I'm gonna get a PS4 on Christmas. You don't want to get copyrighted, Logan. Turn that off. You get copyrighted issues if you do. Copyrighted issues. Know what that means? That means your video will get teared down and you have to do it again. Shit, a grenade! Damn it, shit! Yep. My truck's tearing off. Let me show you the ice cube now. I'm gonna go to here, turn on demand, go to the ice cube, get the ice cube, get in my rollback or tow truck, wherever you use, and then take it for a spin. This is gonna be a long video. Actually, let's go see what the ice cube sounds like now. You haven't heard it. Let's turn it up after. Go turn it up. Actually, I'm gonna. No, yeah, turn it up, Logan. I'll hold it. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'll do it. Yeah, here. Let me sit.
Just lower it to so. And
notification from social. Danger Noodle 465 is
What
online.
the
Go to the guide to open.
Danger Noodle, I hate him. Awesome. If you want to see Fallout 4 videos, I can post Fallout 4's. I won't do tutorials, but I'll do
no, I just want them to
mouse, you meant.
no, I also want to take.
Yes. It's Unchained. And then mouse.
And
No spaces. Cap.
say mine too. Say mine.
Fine, I'll show you.
Home window. On now. Watch _dogs registered trademark 2. Guide for Untamedmouse19 window. Sign in tab. What? Noah.
Fine.
Unchained
That's
Mouse
what pop
19.
up.
Signed in.
That's mine.
Take over.
This
Mammoth
is
Spark.
Logan's.
Takeover tree.
Danny's.
Mammoth Spark 800.
Wait.
Metro Binky
Some-
2227.
Logan's.
Muffled Dart
Mine.
77305.
Jasmine's.
My
Signed
sister.
out.
Or you really
Sign in.
want to, you can type them in and send us friend
Home
requests
window.
that we can
The crew.
accept it and we
Recently
play
played
this
section
game,
button.
Then you can play with us.
Minecraft and Fall.
Hello
And
to
Life or
Dying Light.
Family.
I'm gonna show you all the games that I have yet. Some games I didn't have, some games I do have. Let's show you.
Games, 7 Days to Die. Game item,
Let's
1 of 30.
let the Xbox
Non-selected.
let the Xbox talk and see what that we have.
Battlefield 4. Game item, 2 of 30. Selected. Battlefield trademark hardline. Game item, Borderlands. Game item, 4 of 30. Call of Duty, Black Ops 3. Game item, Call of Duty registered trademark, Black Ops. Game item, Dirt Showdown. Game item, Dying Light.